Hey, it's Vanessa with CraftyGemini.com, here to talk to you a little bit about how to change the sewing machine needle in your machine. First thing I want you all to note is that there's different types of needles. Here we have some hand sewing needles, and these are not for your machine. And then we have different types of sewing machine needles, which are these. They can come in a variety of different packages and different sizes depending on what project or what fabric you're working with. So here we have two needles. One's for hand sewing and one is for the machine. On the hand sewing needle, we know that the eye is all the way at the top. On the sewing machine needle, the eye is at the bottom. So depending on your machine, you'll see a screw right to the right side or to the left of your sewing machine needle. Here I want to unscrew it so that I can remove that needle. And you may want to put your hand on it so that it doesn't fall into the machine. To load our new needle in, we want to make sure that the rounded portion is facing the front of the machine, and find where you just removed that last needle from. There's a little hole up there. And you want to push your needle all the way up with one hand and screw it into place with the other. So those were the quick few steps needed to change the needle in your sewing machine. A good rule of thumb to follow is to change your sewing machine needle every 6 to 8 hours of sewing, so don't forget that.